أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل من كان عدوا لجبريل فإنه نزله على قلبك بإذن الله مصدقا لما بين يديه وهدى وبشرى للمؤمنين.
Say, whoever is an enemy to Gabriel, it is none but he who has brought the Quran down upon your heart, O Muhammad, by permission of Allah, confirming that which was before it and as guidance and good tidings for the believers.
من كان عدوا لله وملائكته ورسله وجبريل وميكال فإن الله عدو للكافرين.
Whoever is an enemy to Allah and his angels and his messengers and Gabriel and Michael, then indeed, Allah is an enemy to the disbelievers.
وَلَقَدْ أَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكَ آيَاتٍ بَيِّنَاتٍ وَمَا يَكْفُرُ بِهَا إِلَّا الْفَاسِقُونَ.
And we have certainly revealed to you verses, which are clear proofs, and no one would deny them except the defiantly disobedient.
صدق الله العظيم.